North Eastern Council Nongrim Hill Silongi Miring Makhada Manipur Institute of Technology Manipur University na Sinduna MU gi court holder numid humni chupna sathagadaba North East India International Conference ngasidagi houdokkhre Innovation in Science and Technology haiba hiramda houdokpa conference aduda Manipur University ge Vice Chancellor Professor N. Lokendra School of Engineering Manipur University ke Dean Professor N. Vasanta IISC Bangalore ke Retired Professor N.C. Sibra Prakash School of Engineering ki Hanagi Dean Professor R.K. Hema Kumar Amadi Manipur Institute of Technology ki Principal Professor T.S. Suresh na Chief Guest President Amadi Guest of Honor oina sarugya ke thorom adu kamari lainana MU ki Vice Chancellor Professor N. Lokendra na phongdorakpada malemda lediba lebakaya ngasidi Artificial Intelligence ki matengna Technology ki hiramda hena chawkhatli khudam oina hairabada biotechnology renewable energy space technology na chingba kayani North East ki mafam singdasu technology ki hiramda chawkhathanba tangai fadaba lei loinana ngasi pangthokliba thoram asi traditional wisdom amadi modern scientific knowledge ani ki marakta samnaba pangthokpani amadi mahiroi singda local innovation amadi global technology ki matangda hena khanghananabaki ngasigi conference asi pangthokpani haike
to get themselves engaged in multidisciplinary and interdisciplinary researches so that the solutions, the ideas that they will bring about will help in the solutions of varied problems that the region and of course the whole country as a whole is facing.